CLIMATIVA is a pioneering method for developing municipal climate plans in Brazil. It was developed by Natalia Moll and Rejane Loura, professors at the School of Architecture of the Federal University of Minas Gerais, in partnership with other researchers, DAN specialists from universities and research institutions, and funded by the Brazilian National Scientific Research Council. This innovative participatory method was designed to meet the needs and constraints of small and medium-sized cities in Brazil, but it can be used in other countries and adapted for larger cities and territories. In 2025, the French Embassy funded training for local government officials in 12 towns in the state of Minas Gerais on how to draw up climate action plans using the CLIMATIVA method, making it the most widely used method in the state. The CLIMATIVA method mobilizes all stakeholders in the territory, and in particular the population, throughout the process of developing the climate plan and implementing actions on the ground. It also relies on a set of innovative digital tools that are reshaping the mode of governance within municipalities, making it more dynamic, more modern, responding to the new ways in which populations operate, closer to the ground, less institutional, more individual, and more free. An initial territorial assessment is carried out using the CLIMATIVA digital platform. Nearly 300 parameters are generated based on data from Brazil's national institutional databases in order to characterize the territories and indicate risk levels according to the IPCC's risk keys. This data can, where necessary, be updated by local authorities if they have more recent or more accurate information. Municipal technicians supplement this initial assessment using two tools from the QRISKA digital platform. First, they conduct a thematic municipal audit involving all municipal departments. This provides them with a comprehensive report and summary charts outlining the municipality's strengths and weaknesses. This audit can be regularly updated, allowing them to monitor the area's development and the implementation of actions. Thanks to the QRISKA Alert module, municipal technicians can refine their thematic analyses and report back precise, location-specific information from the field. The same QRISKA Alert tool is also used to engage the public. The aim here, too, is to gain a local perspective on the area, a perspective that may differ from that of the technical experts, but which complements it, a perspective that reflects people's lived experiences, whether at home or at work. In addition to the meetings and exchanges organized by municipalities, this approach strengthens the dynamic of stakeholder mobilization. Beyond the discussions arising from formal meetings, it invites the population to express their concerns and opinions directly from home at a time that suits them through the QRISKA solution. This commitment to engaging the public on a broad scale requires local authorities to communicate more effectively and more widely using a variety of channels: education, community organizations, TV channels, and so on. Following the initial assessment, the CLIMATIVA platform uses its actions database to shortlist measures tailored to the specific characteristics of the local authorities, and in particular to their different risk levels. This database currently contains over 200 measures and is regularly updated. These measures are discussed by all stakeholders at public meetings. Where necessary, they are supplemented by specific, complementary measures to meet everyone's expectations. They are prioritized and detailed in order to fit within the local authority's spatial development strategy and to take account of budgetary and technical constraints. Beyond the drafting of the climate plan and its official presentation by the local authorities, CLIMATIVA supports local authorities in the operational definition and implementation of actions on the ground, in particular by utilizing the QRISKA platform, no longer as a tool for territorial diagnosis, but as a genuine tool for territorial management. It is not simply a matter of identifying problems, but of supporting the various stakeholders in putting solutions in place, whether it be the tree inventory, crisis management, waste management, engaging municipal technicians, involving local communities in order to identify issues within the area, pass on the right information to the right person, prioritize issues, and provide practical solutions. And throughout the process, keep the public informed in real time about how the issue is being resolved. A new, more efficient, more modern, and accountable approach to governance.
O método Climativa foi fundamental, porque tinha uma cronologia, né? Existiam as etapas que a gente tinha que realizar até determinadas datas, e isso dá andamento no processo. Todas as secretarias, os municípios têm diversas tarefas, então se realmente a gente não tiver o que é para ser feito e quanto que é para ser entregue muito bem estabelecido, todo mundo vai se perder no meio do caminho.
Sim, do ponto de vista da ferramenta QRISKA, ela foi crucial no momento de obtenção, né, de dados para a gente conseguir caracterizar e diagnosticar as deficiências do nosso município, uma vez que dentro do município de Nova Serrana a gente tinha essa carência de informação. Então nós não tínhamos, né, material e nenhum banco de dados que nos subsidiassem no momento das próximas etapas do plano. Então, a partir da utilização da ferramenta, nós conseguimos, né, montar um banco de dados que foi, né, muito simples, muito padronizado, que nos subsidiou e nos subsidiará grandemente ao longo do processo.
A new, more participatory approach, making use of digital tools that are better suited to the needs and habits of today's citizens. A public-private citizen partnership that is more flexible, more effective, and more demanding, aimed at the balanced and sustainable development of territories.